Faith Creative Life. Thanks for taking the time to join me and my channel. Today we are doing another video on the Spring Series 2021 with Rosa Kelly and with Martha Tucker. So today for my project, oh my gosh, you guys, I have been wanting to do something like this for a while and I'm super excited. So you see all of these little teacups and tea saucers here. I went down to a garage sale a couple of years back, and I had bought a few things, and you saw one of the things that I used for my heart wreath that I did for our Valentine's hop, and I used that in the center as a centerpiece for flowers. So today what we're going to do is we are going to make a little bird feeder, and I've seen these on Pinterest and they're super easy to make, y'all. So super simple. But we're also going to make a little tier out of the saucers. So I grabbed a couple of saucers and I'm going to use these two for a tier. So for this project you're going to need 2 saucers. You're going to need a little cup, and these are just plastic little, now you can use a real wine glass if you want to, but these are just little plastic glasses that I got over at the Dollar Tree, and they have the bottom, and you're going to need, you know, both pieces, so they come apart like this, but you're going to need both pieces for this project, okay? And you're going to need your hot glue gun, or you can use E6000, whatever you would like to do. Okay, so you're going to need that that's one of the projects we're going to do. So it's 2 projects in one video, you guys. So we are going to go ahead and use this one. And I put all the other items off to the side. And so basically you just get your teacup and you have the handle upward, okay? And you glue this part down. So that's what we're going to do. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead, and I'm just going to put hot glue all over this, just like that, and I'm going to set it down, okay, just like that, you guys. That's it. So I did use the hot glue for this teacup and saucer, and it did stick to it, but it didn't last very long as it was outside. So I would definitely use the E6000, let it sit for a couple of days, and then you can hang it outside, and then it will stick down, okay? And you would just apply it the same way that I did with the hot glue gun, just right on the edge of that cup, and then set it down and let it dry. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to take some string or rope and tie that around the handle. And then I just did a double knot on mine, and I also added some glue under that knot. So you'll see here in a minute that I just grabbed the hot glue and just tied it into a knot. And then there you go. And you can pretty much gauge how much string or rope you need to hang your cup. And then all you have to do, y'all, is just take this outside and hang it. And I've got some little bird food right here. Let me grab this little cup. I'm super excited. And you're just going to put some little bird food in there, you guys. Oh my gosh. And there is your super cute little spring bird feeder. So how super cute is that? Now if you wanted to decorate it up, you probably could add some, you know, little beads or some flowers or something to it, but I think it looks so cute just like this, you guys. I'm definitely going to go outside and hang it up. I'm going to take pictures, and then yeah, so well, you guys can see what it looks like. So that is that finished project for you guys right there. Okay, so there we go. So there's our bird feeder. So there's that one. The next thing that we're going to be making is we're going to be making our little stand here, and oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super excited about this because it's super easy. So all you have to do is just go down to the Goodwill, right, and pick up some saucers, or you know, your thrift store, whatever you've got there, and okay, so I'm going to put this down like this, okay, and then this will be up here like this, okay, so that is going to sit up there. So basically you're going to sit it like this. Now again, this is just a plastic champagne glass that I got over at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and if you wanted to decorate the inside, you can definitely put like beads or, you know, whatever you want inside of it. I actually thought about just doing a bunch of little different flowers, but then I would use all my stash and I wouldn't have any flowers. So I think I'm just gonna leave it for right now. I may come back and add some things on it, I don't know, but you can definitely add some tissue paper or something in the inside, I guess. Anyway, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna glue this down. So you're just going to grab your glue gun and we're just going to go all the way around here. Okay, so remember that you want to use your E6000 and you apply that E6000 just like I'm applying the hot glue gun in this tutorial, okay? And you'll let it sit overnight and let it dry. You're going to get your other plate, okay, and it's going to sit right on top of here. So like I said, if you wanted to put something inside of here, now is the time to do that. You can put flowers inside, beads, maybe if you wanted to put lace in there, you could do that, and then you could, and it's just for decoration, or you could come back later and do it. You know, you could do that. So now we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to put some glue on the top of this. Okay, so if you're going to stick stuff in there later, I would go ahead and use hot glue because you could always take the top plate off and place something inside of your glass. But if you're not going to put anything inside of your cup, then I would go ahead and just use E6000. That way it sticks down and you don't have to worry about it coming off later. And then you're just going to set your plate right on top of there. And yeah, once it's on there, you guys, it ain't going nowhere. So look at that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that, right? And then you can definitely doll that up. If you had a really cute little teacup, you could put a teacup up there. And how cute would that be? Because then you've got something to stick some other stuff in. You've got this little plate here and this little plate down here. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find some lace and stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I picked out some lace, okay, and I'm just going to set this like that. And then we're just going to glue this around the little glass top here. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my glue up here once more. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just going to decorate that with lace, and I'm going to wrap that lace around the between the cup and the plate. Okay, so y'all, so I went ahead and I stuck my my lace on here, and then it did come apart. I went and glued it back down. But I did use the E6000 on this, and of course, you know, with E6000 you have to let it dry for a bit. So I decided to go ahead and go back over it with E6000. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my E6000 for my beads. Okay, since this part I have to work with the tier standing upward for gluing down my beads and my other embellishments, I'm going to just do little pieces of showing you what I did to decorate the bottom of the glass. Okay, you guys, so I finished decorating around. I did went ahead and added some little white flowerets that I had in my stash amongst the roses there. So cute. Oh my gosh. And again, I would advise to go ahead and use the E6000 for the bottom. Okay, and I'm just kind of holding this on still because it's still a little bit tacky. And then I did hot glue the lace around the plastic ridge of the cup, and it seems to be working pretty good. So, and I just like it. I know this turned out so cute, you guys. I can't wait. I'll probably just put like my little knickknacks or something on it. I don't know what, but I just thought it was a super simple idea, and you know, it gives you all something to create for maybe some little cupcakes, or maybe you want to put your little embellishments or something on it. So how cute would that be? Here is a couple of little embellishments that we made earlier. So how cute would those be, just sitting up there like that? And then you can put some other little items down on the bottom here. How cute, right? So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorials that I had for you for both of these cute little projects. You got 2 projects in one, y'all. So awesome, right? So thank y'all so much for joining us for this spring series 2001. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and give us a thumbs up on the videos. I will be announcing what I'm giving away for my prize tomorrow for day 6. So tune in, okay? Thank y'all so much, and y'all take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!